Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the IsDone.DLL error code 7. This common issue often arises during game installations. Our first step is to adjust your virtual memory. Navigate to System Properties, then Performance Settings, and finally Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatic Management and set a custom size, for example, an initial size of 400 megabytes and a maximum of 3000 megabytes. This provides crucial extra memory for large game files. Next, let's address potential interference from security software. Your antivirus or firewall might mistakenly flag game installation files, preventing them from unpacking correctly. Temporarily disabling them can resolve this. Also, consider running the game installer in compatibility mode. Right-click the setup file, go to Properties, then Compatibility, and select an older operating system like Windows 7. This can help older games install smoothly on newer systems. System file corruption can also trigger the IsDone.DLL error. To check and repair these, open Command Prompt as an administrator. First, type sfc/scano and press Enter. This scans for and repairs corrupted system files. After that, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix any underlying system image problems. These scans can take some time, but they are vital for maintaining system integrity and resolving installation issues. Finally, we'll ensure critical DLL files are properly registered and clean up temporary data. In an administrator command prompt, type regsfor32 IsDone.DLL and then regsfor32 unarc.DLL, pressing Enter after each. This re-registers these essential files. Afterward, open the Run dialog by pressing Windows key +R, type %temp% and delete all files in the folder. This clears out old, potentially conflicting temporary data, which can often resolve stubborn installation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.